2024 will be my second year as a small business owner here in the US, and so far I have not been able to make a net profit in my business, but I want to change that in 2024. Let's get straight to it. I have some long-term goals, but you're not going to see them in today's video, but these are broken down into smaller goals, which I use my 90-day plan workbook for. I break down my long-term goals into 90-day chunks and then work on them. If you're interested in this workbook, I'll have this link for you in the description. I have my 2024 income goals in here, and I'll walk you through them and share how I'm planning to achieve them. I'm not going to share exact figures with you, but I still hope this video is going to be valuable to you, since I will share my income sources, how I'm planning to create them, and what I'm planning to do exactly. I'm someone who needs a roadmap to stay focused and achieve anything. So that's what this exercise really helped me do. If you saw my income report video, you saw that I currently have 5 sources of income: royalties, consultation, affiliate earnings, digital products, and content. In the coming year, I want to add 2 more potentially. That's in-person events and freelance work. Let's break these down further. Royalties are my most consistent form of income, but they made up just 7% of my total income last year, and I want to change that. To increase my income from royalty, I want to publish more books, and that will be a combination of short form books as well as full-length novels. And the second thing I want to do is promote my backlist. Consultation made up just 3% of my total income, and that was because I was still setting up the process and ironing out any kinks. So a lot of the price for my Pick My Brain service, I absorbed it as cost, but in 2024 the cost will go up. But along with that, there'll be some changes in the service in itself. I want to make it more valuable for my clients and have some customized things for them. For example, depending on their needs, I want to give them some customized things like a roadmap for their self-publishing, a publishing strategy, a marketing strategy, business plans. So there are a lot of things that I want to add to this service. Also have a document for them that they can not just use for the current problem or the current thing that we'll be discussing in these sessions, but also use it as a template for future projects. So I have to find out a process where I can walk myself through all the things I can do for that client, and then have a customized blueprint for them. So I have to figure out a way where I can do this realistically, and the price reflects the time that it takes to create these kind of services as well as what they'll get out of it. Affiliate marketing, you know what happened with it last year. So this year I want to get organized with it. Right now everything is very surface level and I'm not very consistent with it. The first and a very straightforward thing that I can do is just organize better with all the things that I'm currently using and I love, and I would recommend to you if you were in front of me. I want to organize those on my website and on YouTube. And the second is to incorporate it in my Instagram content strategy, and I'll talk about it in a little bit. Digital products is my second largest source of income. This year I was able to link my store on Instagram, and I'm working on linking it on my YouTube as well, and I'll share about it next. I want to be consistent with this, so I have a list of products that I want to publish next year. But the biggest change I'm making is to get my products in front of my target audience, my target buyers. And I'm planning to do this with my content, which is the next category. My entire content strategy will be changing. I want to be more consistent here on YouTube because it has proved to be my best marketing tool. Just to briefly share with you what my content strategy will be going forward. So what I plan to do is keep about 50% of my content focused on how-to kind of videos, so provide upfront value. About 20%, 25% will be behind the scenes, mostly showing you exactly how I'm actually doing the things I talk about in the how-to videos. And I want to keep about 25% free for myself to experiment, to keep my creativity, the joy of actually creating videos for that purpose. Those kind of videos generally don't perform well, but I've realized that the burnout that I felt with YouTube the last year and a half was because I wasn't allowing myself to be creative with my videos, and when I did, it performed poorly, so I let it affect me, which is the next point. I want to do this so that I keep something for myself as well and not let the algorithms rob me of the joy of creating, of being in this community with my fellow writers. For Instagram, my strategy is slightly different. Here is where I want to keep more of the behind the scenes kind of videos and YouTube shorts and those kind of content, the short form content. And here is also where I'll tie in a lot of the affiliate marketing strategy. I was able to link my store to my Instagram account, so anyone can buy my digital products on Instagram as well. And that's what I'm planning to do with my YouTube as well. I'm still setting it all up on YouTube, but the idea is to make it easy for the viewers who are watching my videos to then buy the digital products that I'm talking about, that I'm sharing, the templates that I'm creating with the problems that I've had. So all those things that I talk about, now I want to have them ready for my viewers to buy if they are interested. YouTube membership is the other thing that I'm offering. In fact, the other 2 points, that's the in-person events and freelance work, I'll share exclusively with my members. So I hope to see you there, or else I hope this video gave you some ideas about how you can create your own income strategy, and I'll see you in the next one.